Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications in the TikTok app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, and you won't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open the TikTok app. Here it opens up in the home menu, but we have to go into the profile menu. Here in the profile, in the top right corner, there are three lines. We tap on those. Go into settings and privacy, and here in settings we can tap on notifications, and here on the top there's push notifications button. We tap on that, and here we can allow or not allow TikTok to send notifications to our phone. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.